Ford F-150's rocky start in Australia. Quality issues and price concerns Ford's attempt to bring its iconic F-150 pickup truck to the Australian market has been plagued by manufacturing defects, recalls, and high prices, preventing it from gaining traction against established local and import competitors. Despite being the top-selling truck in the United States, the F-150 has struggled to replicate that success down under. The right-hand drive conversion problem, the primary challenge, stems from converting the left-hand drive American-built F-150 to right-hand drive for Australian roads. Ford partnered with Thai company RMA to establish a conversion facility in Australia. This process introduced quality control issues, including defects in the steering rack, non-compliant lighting, and fuel line problems, leading to multiple recalls and a 9-month sales halt. These issues were not entirely unexpected, given Ford's broader struggles with quality in recent years, but the conversion process compounded them. The company has since acknowledged these teething problems and claims to have addressed them. Redesigned hardware and AMP quality control to rectify the defects, Ford has reworked key components. Steering rack. A substantially redesigned steering rack and intermediate shaft have been implemented. Lighting. Australian market trucks now use headlamp units sourced directly from the original supplier, avoiding modifications to US spec parts. Production line. RMA's production line has been updated with additional quality assurance checkpoints to catch problems earlier. Electrical architecture. The electrical systems and wiring looms have been revised for increased durability and security. Ford Australia Program Director Ian Jones stated that quality and safety are non-negotiable, and that the company took voluntary actions to address customer concerns. The F-150 sold in Australia now uses the updated 2026 model from the US, which should have fewer inherent issues. High price point even with quality improvements. The F-150 remains expensive in Australia. Prices start at $115,000, approximately $80,200 USD, for the base XLT model, and can exceed $164,000, around $114,400 USD, for the Platinum trim. All models are equipped with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 engine and a 10-speed automatic transmission. The combination of high cost and initial quality problems has made it difficult for the F-150 to compete in a market where buyers have many alternatives. The brand's reputation is still recovering from these early setbacks, and whether Ford can overcome them remains to be seen.